Hello traders. Akim is back. C'est Akim, c'est de retour. So I'm going first to secure my profit, and then I'll talk late. All right? Oui, je vais d'abord sécuriser mon profit et puis je vais parler après. Ok? We're gonna talk later. Vous voyez? Ça c'est la ligne de tendance ici qui doit être cassée. 500, $500. I think I'm about to close my okay, 700. Okay, let me secure this. All right, so I'm just from making $700 profit, guys. Je viens de faire $700. So I was saying this, guys. You know me, I don't believe in such things like my strategy works only on gold. My strategy works only on currency pairs. My strategy works only on this and that. No. So only 1 minute and then we shall be 9 and the hourly candle will close. So we are in $400 profit. Nous sommes dans les profits de $400. Ok, 500. Je close avec ça. Voilà. Guys, yeah, I just closed with the $500. I closed early. Price is still, hey, my goodness. Ooh. Yeah. You see, hello traders. Akim is back. C'est Akim, c'est de retour. So I'm going first to secure my profit, and then I'll talk late. All right? Oui, je vais d'abord sécuriser mon profit et puis je vais parler après. Ok? We are in more than $300 of profit. We were already in more than that, but $400 profit, plus de $400 de profit. Il faut prendre la liquidité qui est ici en bas. Ils doivent descendre comme ça parce qu'il y a beaucoup de liquidité ici. The stop loss, there's a lot of stop losses here which we need to take. You see, all over here, there's stop losses. Ok, il y a des stop loss partout ici qui doivent être pris. Vous voyez? Il y a this trend line here. C'est cette ligne de tendance là. Okay, as I'm just from saying right now, I'm going to secure my profit first and then we're gonna talk later. Vous voyez, ça c'est la ligne de tendance ici qui doit être cassée. 500, $500. I think I'm about to close my okay, 700. Okay, let me secure this. All right, so I'm just from making $700 profit, guys. Je viens de faire $700. So I was saying this, guys. I know some people might be asking themselves, does brother Akim Forex still can trade gold? And this is gold which I'm just from trading right now. C'est l'or que je viens de trader là maintenant là. Ça c'est l'or, vous voyez? Ça c'est l'or que je viens de trader et je viens de faire ces profits ici. $703. Vous voyez, nous avons maintenant 3703. Let me show the date. Vous voyez d'abord la date ici, le 14 mai 2026, le jeudi. We are the 14th of May 2026 at 1 minute to 10 a.m. Bukavu time. C'est 10h moins 1 minute l'heure de Bukavu. So, you know me, I don't believe in such things like my strategy works only on gold. My strategy works only on currency pairs. My strategy works only on this and that. No. I do trade everything in the market. Je trade tout dans le marché. Je ne crois pas dans ces histoires de « Oh, ma stratégie fonctionne seulement sur l'or, sur les devises et tout ça. » Non. These days, I've been just trading Nasdaq, you see, the indices. I traded also cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. J'ai tradé aussi les Bitcoin. So, I know if I see the same setup on a different pair and I do the same thing, I will get the same result. That's what I believe. I'll get the same result. If the market moves the same way and I see the same confirmations, the same setup, I'll get the same result. That's what I believe. I don't believe in those things like, hey, it works only on this. Gold is for the big boys. Guys, don't follow those stuff. I want to trade gold because it's for the big boys. I'm trading gold. Oh, je trade seulement de l'or parce que l'or, c'est pour les grands garçons. No, you trade what gives you money. Trade what gives you money. Even if it's a currency pair, trade it. As long as it makes you consistent profit. That is my advice to you guys. Trade something that makes you money. Don't trade something like because of influences from other people. You'll regret. You see, after me taking just my profit here, price start reversing back. Vous voyez comment, après que j'ai pris mon profit, le prix retourne. Sorry. So, guys, 700, because the account was at $3,000, now we have 3,700. Vous voyez, $700 vient d'être fait là. Le compte était sur $3,000 et je viens de faire 700. Nous avons maintenant 3,700. So stop following what people say. I know they will correct this result here. It's not the correct one. Les résultats, ce n'est pas les corrects. Alors ils vont corriger ça un peu plus tard. Souvent, il y a cette erreur. Le vrai résultat, c'est ça. La balance. C'est un peu ça. Hein? Ils ne font pas dire, oh, je vais trader ceci parce que c'est que beaucoup de gens tradent. Toi, trade ce qui te donne de l'argent. Que ce soit les devises, que ce soit les cryptos, peu importe ce que tu trades. Si c'est l'or, d'accord. Oh, cryptocurrency, I mean, many people say like, oh, those Forex indices are not indices like the currency pairs are very slow. They are slow. But the same way gold can make you profit quick, in the same way it can lose you your money quick. If it goes against you, it will make you lose money quick. The same way to make you make money quick. So you trade what makes you profit. That's all. Okay, thank you. Just to show that I'm still trading gold, I can trade everything. All right? Thank you, guys. Bye. Akim Forex. Hello, traders. Good morning. Bonjour, les traders. I just want to show this. Je vais juste vous montrer ceci. Because I know some people might be asking themselves, can Brother John still trade? Traders, yes. As I told you, they were going to correct this one here, the result here of my profit. Oui, les traders, comme je vous avais dit, ils allaient corriger le résultat de mon profit ici. Parce que c'était 600 et quelques ici, pendant que j'avais fait 703 ce matin. Yeah, it was here, it was saying 600 and something here, while I did $703. As you can see, I'm just from withdrawing $500. Comme vous pouvez voir là, je viens de retirer $503. Yeah, and the balance is now $3,200. Maintenant, la balance est de $3,200. Because I'm just from withdrawing, je viens juste de faire le retrait. Et voilà, c'est un peu ça. La date, you can see the date here. Le 14 mai, 14th of May, 2026, and I'm uploading a video. Yeah, je suis en train de poster une vidéo sur YouTube. I'm uploading a video on YouTube, guys. It's been long. I never posted a video. Ça fait longtemps que je n'ai pas posté. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. You see gold now, it went higher. L'or est parti à haut. Quand j'ai pris le profit, ça a monté. Et là, ça descend encore. You can see how gold went higher and now it's pushing down again. Yeah, that's the result for now. That's the market condition on gold right now. C'est ça la condition du marché actuel de l'or. Thank you, bye. Merci, au revoir, guys. Bonjour les traders, it's Akim here, and you can see here the 15th of May 2026. Yeah, it's 35 minutes past 7 a.m. Bukav time, and I'm trading gold again, just a low risk. I didn't go with higher risk. Yeah, je trade encore de l'or, just to show that I still can trade gold, I can trade everything, and we are in this much profit of more than 108 something, 170. Vous voyez, juste vous montrer que je peux toujours trader l'or. Comme d'habitude, nous sommes déjà à plus de 170, 180 des profits. You can see there. So I'm gonna close it. Je vais fermer, je vais pas garder ça longtemps. This is just quick scalp, $200. So I'm going to close because there's a fair value gap down here. I'm expecting price to fill this space. You can see since yesterday, since I took that trade, sell, but I closed early, price is still pushing. It never went up. Vous voyez, depuis hier, quand j'ai vendu ici, la vidéo que vous allez voir, la partie précédente là, vous voyez que le prix a continué à baisser. J'avais vendu à partir d'ici. Yesterday, I sold from here, as you see. And the price kept on pushing down up to now. They took all the liquidity here. They took out all the liquidities here. Up to now, price is pushing down. I told you about this liquidity. I told you they would go below to take all the liquidity here. Je vous avais parlé de cette liquidité. Je vous ai dit que le prix va baisser pour aller prendre toute la liquidité ici des lignes de tendance. Et vous remarquerez que le prix ne fait que baisser depuis hier. Since yesterday, I sold here. This video, the first part of this video, where you saw me making 100 and something, m'avez vu faire ça et quelques. Yeah, I sold it from somewhere around here. Up to now, price still just going below. Price never went up until now, the second day. Today, the 15th. You see, price is pushing down up to now. If I could have held that trade at this time, I should have been more than I don't know how many thousands of dollars. Si je pouvais seulement garder ces trades d'hier, à cette heure, je ne sais pas, je suis dans combien de mille de dollars. You see. Yeah, you see, price is pushing down. From here to here, imagine how much could be my profit. You see, they created a structure here. They rejected a little bit. You know, gold can fly, guys. You see the risk I'm going with. 0.01. Not even the higher risk. You see how they are rejecting to trap people. So I'm waiting just for another push on the downside. If I can go in my $200 of profit, then I'll close the trade. But they must reach a certain fair value gap, which is below there. There is a fair value gap somewhere around here, which they must go and cover on 30 minutes. I don't know if it can be seen from here. Sur 30 minutes, il y a un fair value gap quelque part ici. Yeah, this fair value gap here. They must fill it. They must fill this fair value gap. And there's another block here. You see, this gap here. This is what I'm talking about. But they've already filled 50% of that fair value gap. They can also reject now. Yeah, it's almost filled, guys. So that's the other block there and fair value gap there between on 30 minutes, you see. Or they can just decide to go below and take the liquidity. I don't know, but they are rejecting now from that fair value gap, guys. That's the reason why they are rejecting, because there's other block there on 30 minutes. You see now. Et ils sont en train de rejeter. Je pense que c'est à cause de ce fair value gap sur 30 minutes. C'est normal qu'ils rejettent. Tout comme ils peuvent se décider de retourner en arrière et commencer à monter. From there, they can decide to start going higher. There's a reason. Yeah, there's a reason for price to retrace back if they want to continue higher. Now, if they want to return back, il y a la raison si le prix veut retourner en arrière et continuer à haut. Parce qu'il y a l'effet value gap là que vous voyez. Voilà pourquoi ça résiste. Et il y a les order blocks de 30 minutes. Voilà pourquoi ça résiste là. Ça résiste tellement, voyez. Voyez, ça résiste tellement. As you can see, there's a resistance there. It's resisting. You see price start going higher. You see, vous voyez que le prix vient de retourner en arrière. Vous voyez? And yeah, you can see there. You see the reject there. You see? I'm now in losses of 50 something dollars. Je suis maintenant dans la perte. Je pense que il s'est décidé de monter. You see now I'm in losses. Vous voyez maintenant je suis dans la perte. J'étais en train de vous expliquer. I was just explaining to you. And the price start going in the opposite direction. Là, j'étais en train de vous expliquer et le prix a commencé à aller dans le sens opposé. And then I just lose my $200. Je vais essayer de perdre mes $200. I think you can see there. It's because of that fair value gap. That's the reason why. C'est à cause de cet espace vide qui est ici, qu'on appelle fair value gap. S'il pousse en bas, c'est juste pour maintenant aller peut-être prendre la liquidité. So, yeah, you can see, this is live trading, guys. Ça, c'est du live. Ça, c'est du live trading. Ce n'est pas les histoires, vous voyez. Yeah, je n'ai pas encore... J'avais tradé Nasdaq aujourd'hui le matin. J'avais tradé Nasdaq et j'avais fait ça 74. After withdrawing, I traded Nasdaq and I made this much. Okay, guys, that's how we do it. You must know what you're doing, guys. You must know what you do. Vous devez connaître ce que vous faites. Vous voyez que je vous explique le tout. Je vous explique la raison derrière chaque chose. I'm explaining to you the reason behind everything that's happening. Because I know. Parce que je connais. C'est pour cela que je vous explique comme ça. Et je crois que celle-ci sera la dernière vidéo d'abord où je trade encore live pour le moment. I think this might be again the last video in which I'm trading live for now. Yeah, maybe I'll be posting again in the future or after a couple of months or days. Peut-être je le ferai encore, je ferai encore ce genre de vidéo après quelques mois ou quelques jours, après quelques semaines, je sais pas. Yeah, guys, so you see, I went in $200 profit, and now price when it reached this area here, this is the reason why it's rejecting. You see, but I sold from here yesterday, and then I took profit just around here. J'avais vendu à partir d'ici hier, et j'ai pris le profit par ici. Vous voyez? Et j'avais fait, c'était combien? Et $700. J'ai fait $700 hier sur l'or, voilà. C'était 700 à partir d'ici. Exactement, je me rappelle. Je me rappelle bien de ce que j'avais fait hier. Et alors, le prix a continué à pousser en bas. Maintenant, les order blocks commencent par ici. Toujours cette ligne rouge là. Laissez-moi changer maintenant la couleur. Bleu. Les order block, ça y est là. Et puis jusqu'ici. Vous voyez? Et là, le prix pousse maintenant en bas. Si ils veulent, ils peuvent aller en bas juste pour prendre maintenant la liquidité qui est partout ici. Vous voyez? Si vous voyez l'or ici, peut vous compliquer la vie. Vous voyez toute cette liquidité ici. S'ils veulent descendre, donc ça sera pour prendre. If they want to go down, it will be to take all this liquidity down below here. Because this is the order block here. You see these blue lines in between there. This is the order block here, which I'm talking about on 30 minutes. And the fair value gap is this one here between the red lines. Ça, c'est le fair value gap ou l'espace vide. Et le order block, c'est ça ici au milieu de lignes bleues. So if price breaks that place, if they can decide to break there, it will just be dropping. If they can break there, they'll be dropping, maybe to take these lows here. But if they fell, they will be flying on the upside now. If they fail to break there. But if they decide to break there, guys, if they decide to break there, price would be flying only on the upside, guys. That's the truth. If they decide to break there, you see 200 again, $200 encore de profit. If they can just break there, guys, if they decide to break there, and then that shall be something crazy. Let me take off these ones. So we've already seen our order block, where it starts from. So if price decides to continue below, to continue down, you see, this is live, guys. This is live trading. This is live trading, guys. Okay, I'm trading gold, as you see. Je suis en train de trader de l'or. And we are in this 198. We are in this much profit, $200 again, $200 encore de profit. Le prix retourne encore en arrière. Price is reversing back again, you see. You see. Can you really stand this? Est-ce que tu peux supporter ça comme moi? Vous voyez que j'étais dans les profits. J'ai attendu. I was in profit. I waited, and then the price went back, but it's still waiting. Can you really stand this? If it was you, could you stand this? Pouviez-vous vraiment supporter ça si c'était vous? Est-ce que vous pouvez? Vous pouvez. C'est juste une question que je pose. Pouvez-vous vraiment attendre comme moi ici? Vous voyez, je n'ai pas encore dans les 100 et quelques, alors que j'étais déjà à plus de 200. Vous pouvez supporter ça vraiment? Vous devez savoir la raison. You must know why you are waiting. Okay, guys, I'll be back to you. Let me cut this video. It's very long now. Bye. Thank you. Traders, Akim is back. Traders, we are in more than $300 profit. $300 profit, guys. Almost $400 of profit. Ça, c'est presque $400. Ça rentre encore. Je suis de retour. Alors, j'avais ajouté certaines positions. I've decided to add some extra positions. And I've added some extra positions. And the hourly candle is going to close soon, guys. La bougie d'une heure va fermer bientôt là. Because we are 3 minutes to 8 a.m. You see, the Bukavu time, DRC Congo. Nous allons vers 9h, c'est 9h moins 3 minutes. Alors, la bougie d'une heure, this is hourly, is going to close very soon. La bougie d'une heure va fermer bientôt là. Et puis, autre chose que sur 4 heures, nous sommes encore sur un order block de 4 heures ici. Vous voyez? Alors, c'est un peu compliqué là. Le prix peut rentrer à tout moment. Ça, c'est le order block des 4 heures. Vous voyez ça ici? Ça fait un peu peur. Hein? Voilà, je n'avais pas remarqué ça. Je n'avais pas encore remarqué ça. Ça, c'est le order block de 4 heures là-dessus, ici. Vous voyez? This is 4 hourly order block here, guys. You see there, and there's a fair value gap which is already almost filled. Il y a le fair value gap ici, l'espace vide qui est déjà rempli presque là. So, it's scary. It's scary. Yeah, this order block here, let me remove these things here. You see this order block from this red line here. Vous voyez cette ligne de temps, c'est order block là. Ça fait peur. Vous voyez ici. Vous voyez cette ligne, cette bougie rouge ici. Vous voyez, sur 4 heures de cette ligne rouge à l'autre là. So, let's watch and see 1 minute, and then we will be 9 o'clock. Juste 1 minute et nous serons 9 heures juste là. Il ne nous reste qu'1 minute. Et ça fera 9 heures. Il ne nous reste qu'1 minute là. Et ça va faire 9 heures, guys. So, only 1 minute and then we shall be 9. And the hourly candle will close. So, we are in $400 profit. Nous sommes dans le profit de $400. Ok, c'est ça. Je close avec ça. Voilà. Guys, yeah, I just closed with the $500. I closed early. Price is still, hey, my goodness. Ooh. Yeah. You see, they just take the liquidity. I closed early, guys. I should have waited. Yo. That is too much. That's too much, guys. Oh, my goodness. I should have met my $4,000 profit, balance. J'allais atteindre la balance de $4,000. We close it. We have now, balance is now 3,947. I've withdrawn already from this account, which we started with $2,000. And I've withdrawn more than 1.3 from it. You see now, guys, that's when you know what you're doing. Some people who trade the oversold and overbought couldn't sell here. You see, c'est pour cela, il faut savoir ce que vous faites. Ceux-là qui tradent les oversold, les overbought, eux ne pouvaient pas trader ici parce que le prix a déjà baissé pendant longtemps. Ils allaient dire non, on doit maintenant acheter. You see. But me, I sold from there. Just on 1 minute. I saw my confirmations on 1 minute. See. Yo, my goodness. If I could have held this trade, guys. Si je pouvais garder ce trade pendant longtemps. Oh, yeah. But it's okay. I don't regret. I can't regret anything. So I just made more than $500 profit. Yeah, that's almost $4,000. I will be trading now Nasdaq in the afternoon. I think when it will be morning in New York, because I wanted even to sell Nasdaq, but I've chosen to sell first gold. I saw the setup also, the same setup on Nasdaq, because it's dropping. I saw it when it was here, and I knew that it was gonna drop because we have this order block here on 4 hour on Nasdaq. Je voulais vendre aussi Nasdaq, mais je n'ai pas... mon choix est tombé sur l'or. We have this 4-hour order block here on Nasdaq. So I know that they were going to trap those early buyers, those who enter the market once the price reaches the zone straight. Alors je savais que le prix allait continuer à descendre dans cette zone ici. Et c'est là que je vais acheter Nasdaq dans les après-midi. Je vais acheter Nasdaq. J'attends. I'm just waiting. I will buy Nasdaq in the afternoon when the New York open. After them collecting more, after them collecting extra liquidity, then I'll be buying Nasdaq. Après qu'ils aient collecté assez de liquidité en bas, alors j'achèterai les Nasdaq. So guys, this is live trading, all right? This is live trading. This is how we do it. We started with $2,000 before yesterday, and we've been withdrawing from this account. Yeah, I've withdrawn already more than, I think, almost 1.5 from this account. Actually, it should be at 5,000 already. If I didn't withdraw, it should be at 5,000. Si je n'avais pas retiré, ça devait être dans les $5,000 déjà. C'est compte que j'avais commencé avec 2,000. Okay, guys. So this is gold now. You don't say, hey, it doesn't trade gold anymore. He's scared. You see, I have Bitcoin here. I do trade Bitcoin on weekends. Vous voyez, j'ai les Bitcoin ici, la crypto-monnaie. Je trade aussi les Bitcoin dans les week-ends. BTC. J'ai l'or. J'ai Nasdaq. Et livre sterling, because I don't want to fill up my checklist with many things which I can't trade. I don't want to trade. So these days I have cryptocurrency, commodities, indices, and what is this currency? So yeah, guys, this is a real account, all right? This is a real account with just market. You saw me withdrawing from this account because I withdrew again yesterday from it. That day I withdrew 1,000 and I don't know how much, and 170 something. Yeah, 174. 1,174 before yesterday. Yesterday I withdrew again from it. Yeah, exactly. I withdrew something like, the first withdrawal was like 500, I think, and the second one was, I don't know how much. So guys, after gold reaching that fair value gap, it seems like it's now pushing higher. Après que l'or ait rempli ce fair value gap, maintenant, c'est en train d'aller à haut. Vous voyez? Okay, guys, I think that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. You see how it's going higher with pressure now. With pressure. Well, but you must be careful with gold, guys. You see the lot size of gold. But you can see how much we're making. Vous voyez, vous devez faire attention avec de l'or. Regardez les lots. Et combien ça nous donne. Vous voyez les lots. 0,01. Mais avec Nasdaq, regardez les lots que nous avons utilisés, qui nous a donné ce matin 170 quelques d'abord. Et je n'avais pas gardé ce trade aussi de Nasdaq. I didn't hold this trade of Nasdaq for so long. It was gonna give me more than this. But I just did a quick. It was around midnight, exactly. C'était vers 0h que j'avais pris, ou 1h que j'avais pris, 1h, 17 minutes, 55 secondes, que j'avais pris ce trade de Nasdaq. Et puis, avant de dormir, et puis je me suis endormi. Afterward, I slept, after making 170 something on Nasdaq, I slept. So if I could have held this trade on Nasdaq as well, no, this is gold here. So Nasdaq, where did I took that? Why did I take that trade from? Where did I sold from? I mean, where did I sell from on Nasdaq? I sold somewhere around here. Let me put the trade history. Yeah, I sold somewhere around there today. Yeah, c'est ici où j'ai vendu sur Nasdaq aujourd'hui. After the market opened, I sold somewhere here around, and then price kept just pushing lower and lower and lower and lower. You see, I just sold a quick scalp before sleeping here. But at this time, when the price reversed back a little bit, I was going to be crying a little bit. I was going to be scared. Because here was a zone, like a resistance here. Vous voyez, ici, il y avait la résistance. Alors, pendant que j'ai vendu ici, si je n'avais pas pris rapidement les profits, les prix retournaient d'abord, ça me mettrait d'abord dans la perte. Et là, je serais en train de trembler, vous voyez? I was going to be shaking, freezing by this time when the price reversed back. But afterward, they came and retest, they went up again, they accumulated more. Liquidity is here. You see, they were accumulating here. Here, the touches, and then afterward, price just starts melting. When they reach this zone here, they played around because I think there's an order block here. They reversed back a little bit and then they just bridged that area. And now they are just pushing lower and lower. So that those are the two trades which I took today. Nasdaq and gold just now. But you see, this is gold, guys. Ça, c'est l'or. Voilà les deux trades que j'avais pris pour Nasdaq ici. Juste quelques secondes, c'était un scalp. Et les prix a continué à baisser pendant que j'avais déjà pris le profit. Si ça m'a donné ça 70 quelques. If this small distance here just gave me more than $170, how much more if it could reach here? How much more if it could reach here when I was still holding my trade? Si seulement cet espace ici m'a donné ça 70 quelques, combien plus forte raison si j'ai gardé les trades jusqu'ici. Okay, guys, I think this must be my last video to instruct you guys. I'm instructing you. You see why the market rejected here when it reached here? Because of this hourly order block here. Vous voyez pourquoi le prix avait rejeté quand c'est arrivé ici? C'est à cause de ce order block. Et après, ça a invalidé maintenant ça. Mais quelqu'un pouvait toujours faire du profit. J'ai fait ça 70 à partir d'ici jusqu'ici. Vous voyez? Alors, à partir d'ici, en achetant jusqu'ici, quelqu'un allait faire du profit. Et après avoir cassé ça, nous sommes venus dans ce order block de 4 heures. Je pense que c'est clair. So after bridging here, we came in this 4-hourly order block there. And that's where we are playing around right now. We are playing in this 4-hour order block here. C'est là où nous sommes maintenant en train de jouer là. Vous voyez? Alors, c'est un peu ça, les traders. I think I've explained everything. J'ose croire que j'ai tout expliqué. Voilà. Ce matin, j'ai déjà fait $697, presque $700. So this morning, we have made already $697 or approximately $700. All right, thank you guys. If I see another opportunity, I'm still gonna trade. If I don't see any opportunity, I'm not gonna trade any longer. But if I trade and I make like 4,000 and something, the extra money, I'll withdraw it and I'll leave 4,000 in the account. Si je tradais et que je faisais, j'atteignais par exemple 400 et quelques, l'argent du dessus là, je vais retirer et je vais laisser juste 4000 dollars dans les comptes pour continuer la semaine prochaine. Parce qu'aujourd'hui, nous sommes le vendredi et le marché va fermer. So that's what's gonna happen, guys. Let me take off that other block there. It's useless now. Okay, thank you. Merci. Bye. You see the date again here. Voilà la date, the 15th of May 2026, Friday. Voilà la date, le 15 mai 2026, le vendredi. Bye. Just finally, to close this video, you can see after me taking my profit here, how price reacted. You see after me taking my profit here, price went back like this. Vous pouvez voir le trader juste pour close avec cette vidéo. Après que j'ai pris mon profit ici, ça a poussé un tout petit peu et puis le prix de l'or a remonté, bien que c'est en train encore de baisser, mais à cette heure, je serai dans la perte. By this time, I should be in losses, guys. If I didn't know what I was doing, if I could have kept this trade for a very long period. Okay, guys, thank you. I haven't taken any trade yet so far. Je n'ai pas encore pris un autre trade jusque-là. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Merci. The same day, 15th of May, Friday. 15th of May 2026. Vous voyez toujours la date là, le 15 mai 2026. So, thank you guys. So, price reacted at this 4-hourly order block there. At this order block here. Le prix a réagi dans ce order block de 4 heures. Okay, bye. Thank you. I think you have learned something from this video. Je pense que vous avez appris quelque chose à partir de cette vidéo. Bye.